How to factory reset your Roomba. Every model from i7, S9, 600, 900. For the i7 and S9 series, make sure the Roomba is on, and then press and hold the home, the spot clean, and the clean button for 10 to 20 seconds. Wait for the white light ring to spin, and then release the buttons. The robot will restart and reset. For the 900 series, press and hold dock, spot clean, and clean. Hold until lights flash and all LEDs turn on. That means the reset is complete. For the 600 series and the 800 series, press and hold dock, spot clean, and clean. Hold about 10 to 20 seconds and wait for a beep sound. Once it beeps, it's reset. So yeah, that's how you factory reset any Roomba model step by step. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.